Bingo. Gonna start off with these, and attempt to get it open again. Can be rough at times. That's one. This one is just an actual normal lock that I bought from the store for like my gym locker or some crap. First of all, you can see that's locked. Dang it. It's leaving a mark on my hand. The center of my hand because of the back of the pin. I'm pushing up against like that. Don't want to bend my picks. Don't want to bruise my hands too much as well. Keep the lock up straight. Man, this is a lot harder now for some reason. I don't know why. Dang it. What is going on here, man? Hand. Let's try just poking at it a bit. Not really knowing what I'm doing with this. I think I got a couple pins, maybe. I must have. Now it's open. And now, a smaller one. Brinks. Still got the key for it. I just got this one open a minute ago. Out of Hobby and Funsies. I gotta figure out how to get the... Oh, well, there it is. That was like the fastest I've ever got that one.